ToyBus. Click here to subscribe.
Kiki and Miumiu's ice cream stand opens today.
Hi everyone, I'm Kiki.
Hi, I'm Miumiu.
This summer is so hot. Welcome to our ice cream stand.
Kids, what flavor of ice cream is your favorite? Ice cream, hey, colorful ice cream. Please come and take a look. Ice cream, hey, tasty ice cream. Strawberry and milk flavors. Come on over and taste, my friends. Ice cream with many flavors. Oh, ice cream, hey, colorful ice cream. Please come and take a look.
The kids on the beach all come to the ice cream stand. The naughty dinosaur is even drooling and cutting to the front of the line.
Kiki, give me some ice cream!
Ouch!
He bumped into the little sheep in the front row.
How can you cut in line? We got here first.
That's right, get in line.
Little dinosaur, please get in line.
Sorry. I shouldn't have cut in line.
Little dinosaur goes to the back of the line and waits.
Hi, little sheep. What flavor would you like?
I like the fresh grass ice cream.
Okay, just a minute.
Thank you. Your ice cream will be ready soon.
Little sheep, here is your ice cream.
It's spicy. What's this? It's spicy.
Oh, sorry. I'm really sorry. I mistook wasabi for grass. I will make you another one.
Okay, no problem.
Little sheep, here you are. It won't be wrong this time.
Wow, it's really good.
Hi, little bunny. What flavor would you like?
Do you have strawberry banana flavor?
Yes, if you want to try both, you can choose double flavor ice cream.
Wow, that's great! Then give me the double flavor ice cream, please. Miumiu, here's your money.
Thank you. Your ice cream will be ready soon.
Little bunny, your ice cream is ready.
It's really tasty.
Please come back again next time. It is finally Little Dinosaur's turn. He stares at all the flavors. Hi, Little Dinosaur. What flavor would you like?
I would like all the flavors here.
Well, if you eat that much, you're gonna have a stomachache.
No, I want them all.
Kiki has to give Little Dinosaur all the flavors. Little Dinosaur ate up 10 ice creams really quickly.
Wow, that was so good. Oh, my stomach.
Suddenly,
my stomach
Little
hurts.
Dinosaur started rolling around on the ground.
Oh, a little dinosaur.
Little Dinosaur, don't ever eat so much ice cream at once again.
I will never eat so much ice cream at once next time.
Ice cream. Hey, colorful ice cream. Please come and take a look. Ice cream. Hey, tasty ice cream. Strawberry and milk flavors. Come on over and taste, my friends. Ice cream with many flavors. Oh, ice cream. Hey, colorful ice cream. Please come and take a look. Yes, what flavor is it? Milk.
Yes, what flavor is it?
Strawberry. Oh, ice cream. Hey, colorful ice cream.
pizza house is open! Today, everything on the menu is free!
Let's get ready! Come in, everybody! Welcome!
Wow, this is awesome! I love pizza!
Me too, me too!
Come have a look at our pizza making tools! This is a pizza pan, this is a pizza peel, and this is a pizza cutter. This is a pizza mold. Lastly, this is a pizza plate.
And we have an oven too!
Now let's make pizza together!
Yes, let's do it! Wow, sounds good!
This is awesome!
Let's make a pizza, let's make a pizza, la 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 la. Mix the flour, knead the dough, roll flat and make it round. Hey! Let's make a pizza, let's make a pizza, la 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 la. Spread some ketchup, put some cheese on it, a delicious pizza. Hey! Let's make a pizza, let's make a pizza, la 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 la. Put into an oven, wait for a while, the pizza is ready. Hey!
Wow, the pizza is ready!
This is the classic bacon and cheese pizza. It has bacon and corn on it. Oh, smells good!
Oh, I'm so hungry, my mouth is watering. Oh.
Let me cut the pizza for you.
Wow, it's so good! Yummy!
It's so good! Yummy!
Delicious!
Yummy! I want to eat some more.
Me too! I want more! Let's make a bigger one this time. That one wasn't big enough for all of us.
All right, let's make a super big fruit pizza this time.
Whoa!
It's
so
big! What kind of fruit are we putting on the pizza? I want some raspberries.
I want tangerines.
I want mango.
Strawberries.
good. What is it? What are you doing here?
Oh no, it's the dragon! You're not going to take our pizza, are you?
No, never. I just like the smell. I'd like to have some.
The pizza's so big that we can share it with you.
Wow, it smells really good. Let's eat this before it gets cold.
let's eat.
I'm going to eat too. Nom, 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 nom.
Wow, it's really good.
Yummy!
Let's make a pizza. Let's make a pizza. La 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 la. Mix the flour, knead the dough, roll flat and make it round. Hey! Let's make a pizza. Let's make a pizza. La 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 la. Spread some ketchup, put some cheese on it. A delicious pizza. Hey! Let's make a pizza. Let's make a pizza. La 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 la. Put into an oven. Wait for a while. The pizza is ready. Hey!
Triceratops invited me over today. I brought lots of yummy food.
Hello, T-Rex.
Hi, Struthiomimus. Are you going to Triceratops' house too?
Yes, I am.
Wow, what's that in your cart?
I brought some fresh fruit.
Come on in. Oh, you guys are here. Thank you for coming such a long way. Miumiu's making some delicious food for you.
Hi, T-Rex. Mimas. I'm helping with the food.
Whoa! I'm so excited.
Whoa, so much food!
Triceratops, what are you cooking today?
These are freshly picked vegetables. I'm planning to make an amazing salad with them.
Whoa! I brought some fruit too. With vegetables and fruit, it's gonna be a really good salad.
That's a good idea. La 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 la. I'll wash the vegetables first. Wash the eggplant, radish, bok choy, and the cucumber too. All done.
Let me cut the vegetables. Cut the radish first, then the cucumber, tomato, eggplant, onion, and finally the bok choy. Vegetables are all cut.
I'm washing the fruit. It'll be done soon. Wash and wash and wash them clean. Wash the peach, apple, watermelon, strawberry, and kiwi. It's done. Now we have to cut them. Peach, banana, watermelon, kiwi, apple, and strawberry. fruits are all cut.
Now I'll mix the vegetables and fruits.
It looks really good. Let me try some. Wow, the peach is really fresh.
Yum, yum! The cucumber is so crispy and tastes so good!
Yum, yum! The strawberry's so sweet. The salad is the best.
Yes, and it's so healthy and full of nutritious vegetables and fruits.
You should try this, T-Rex!
I don't see any meat.
Huh? I'm a herbivore, so I don't eat meat.
But I can't live without it. Alright, let me cook some meat for you. Drumstick, steak, and chicken. Add a bit of seasoning and it'll taste even better. Now, put it in the oven. La 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 la. A juicy meat dish will be ready.
Wow, it smells so good. I really want to eat some now.
Let me try first.
Oh, that's too greasy. Why do you think it's good?
Huh? No way! It can't get better than this.
Struthiomimus, which one do you think is better?
Well... I think both are great. I like vegetables and meat as well. It's really good.
Right. This meat is really good.
See? Everybody likes my meat dish.
But the salad is very good too.
Yeah, that's right.
We all like different foods, but we can eat and have fun together, can't we?
Of course.
Hi, everyone. I've invited my friends over for dinner. Oh, they are here. I'm a herbivore triceratops. Plants and fruits, my favorite meal. Tyrannosaurus. Struthiomimus. Yum, 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 yum. Enjoy your meal. Herbivore, herbivore, herbivore.
Guys, I'll make a nice dinner tomorrow. Then, see you. I'm a carnivore Tyrannosaurus. Only meat, my favorite meal. Triceratops, Struthiomimus. Yum, 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 yum. Enjoy your meal. Carnivore, carnivore, carnivore.
I can eat whatever I want.